Enabling Face ID on your Grasshopper Bank app can enhance your security and streamline your login process. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Grasshopper Bank app installed on your device. Go to your device's App Store, search for Grasshopper Bank, and update if necessary. Step 2. Open the app. Launch the Grasshopper Bank app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Step 3. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile section or represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to open the settings options. Step 4. Select Face ID option. In the Settings menu, look for the option related to security or biometric authentication. Select the Face ID option to proceed with the setup. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Before changing your settings, use the @rock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Now you can enjoy the convenience of logging into your Grasshopper Bank app using Face ID.